Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This short video clip is to summarize all the study designs which we commonly use in the epidemiological research. Now, most of the time, the students feel discomfort or uneasiness when they are selecting a study design or while when they are reading a research paper, they are confused at what study design has been used in the study. So for that purpose, I have made it easy for the students through this short video, and they can ask few questions to themselves and decide which study design is being used. So the first question a researcher can ask himself or herself is that being a researcher, are you observing the phenomena which is occurring in the study, or you are intervening in the situation? So if the answer is yes to that, if you're just observing it, this is an observational study design. The next question researcher can ask himself or herself is whether is there any comparison group in this study? If the answer is no, then this study design can be labeled as a descriptive study design. And if the answer is yes, that there is a comparison group, the chances are this is going to be an analytical study. And then it can fall in any one of multiple analytical studies which are possible. So if within that study, both the exposure means the risk factor and the outcome which researchers are studying, both have been captured simultaneously, then this is a cross-sectional study. If researchers started the study from outcome and they are moving towards the exposure, this is a case control study. And if researchers started the study from the exposure and then they moved forward in time to see the outcome, this is a cohort study. Now we can go back to the first question, whether the researcher intervened in the situation. If the answer to that is yes, it can be an experimental study. Now the next question is whether the exposure in the study or the intervention in the study is being randomly allocated to the individual. If the answer to that is yes, this would be a randomized controlled trial. And if the answer to this particular question is no, this is a non-randomized controlled trial. So all these study designs can be summarized in just 4-5 simple questions which I just briefed in this video. Thank you.